Hey, what's up there, everybody? And I am going to show you a very easy restore of some snakeskin shoes here. I like to shop at consignment stores, and today I ran out to the consignment store and happened to find these snakeskin Burberry shoes. So they were about, ironically, they were 40. They were on sale for about 30. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to do a very simple, restore to make the snakeskin look a little bit better there and more conditioned. First thing that we're generally going to do is just lightly sponge down with just some light water and just get off some of the dirt and dust, and then we're going to clean the bottom of the shoes here, and that is pretty standard. Then when that's completely dry, what we're going to do is get some kiwi scuff color, and this is black, and we're going to take it, sponge it on, let that completely dry, and then go into the next step, which is a gloss coat and waterproofing. Okay, so now that we can see that our shoes are properly dried, the black ink is 100% sealed into the scales, but we can see that there is some black ink on some of the silver here. So what we're going to do is actually take a little bit of acetone here, which is nail polish remover. We're going to put a little bit of it into this shot glass here, and using a Q-tip, we're going to dip a little bit in and lightly go over those areas, and that way it is more controlled on a Q-tip than using a paintbrush because of the lack of acetone that would be used in one instance. All right, so now for our final step, we have our Q-tip here that has the black ink from it that we use the acetone to remove the ink from our hardware here, and it did a great job because remember, it's a lot more controlled on a small Q-tip than it would be on a paintbrush, and it kept the integrity of the paint all around the rest of the shoe. Now what we're going to look to do is actually protect the scales on this shoe and give it a little bit of weatherproofing there. So we have a high gloss acrylic finisher. We're going to take this by Angelus, really shake it up, and we are going to get a measuring cup here. We will pour it into that, and then using a soft paintbrush, go in, dip it in, and start coating our shoes with the high gloss acrylic finisher. It will initially paint on cloudy, and then it will dry to clear, but also leave a really nice shiny seal on these shoes. So let's get to work. Okay, so we can see that the acrylic sealant has been applied onto the shoes, and it starts to set pretty quickly there. But the key is that you want to try to get it in all of the scales. And you can see that I had done this shoe first, but some of the spots are still drying there, so we're going to give it about an hour or so, and then these will be ready to go. Okay, so our snakeskin shoes are ready to go, and you can see here they're looking pretty great. Fantastic stuff here, and you can get fantastic shoes like these just like I did at your local consignment store. Didn't cost that much. They were about $30, and these are some awesome snakeskin shoes here, and they're Burberry's. So you can get shoes like this that are slightly used, clean them up, bring them back, and like I said, it's pretty easy to do. all you do, get a sponge, lightly clean them down with some water, let them thoroughly dry, get your black coverage, put it on, completely let them dry and seal for quite some time. Then use a little bit of your acetone remover on the hardware there to clean everything up, and then get your high gloss acrylic finisher and really encoat your leather and your snakeskin or alligator with that. Completely let it dry, and here you go. We've got a fantastic shiny pair of shoes that are practically brand new. Well, I hope this helped you guys in restoring some of your own pieces, or if you happen to find something for a good deal and you want to bring it back, have it look just as new, here you go. We'll see you next time. Bye.